Hi, this is Casey with Holiday Automotive. Today we're taking a look at a billet silver metallic 2016 Jeep Cherokee Latitude, stock number 18G586A. Starting up front, you have factory fog lights. Hood is in excellent shape. I do not see any noticeable scratches. There is a black painted alloy rim that is wrapped in an Advanta tire. That is a 17-inch tire. And then over to the interior, you have a black cloth upholstery, which is in fantastic condition. You have seating for 2 in the front row and seating for 3 in the second row, making this a 5-passenger Cherokee. We'll take a quick look down the passenger side. There is a dual-point exhaust here. You do have a backup camera. Inside of the trunk is very clean. That second row seating folds into a 60-40 split, so that'll give you lots of extra space when needed. And the reason that I'm showing you this Jeep today is because I would like for you to see all angles of this before you schedule your test drive or before we ship this out to you. On the driver's side door, you have your usual power amenities. There are all-weather floor mats. And taking a step inside, to the left of the steering wheel, you have audio controls. To the right-hand side, you have your cruise control buttons. Coming over to the center, you've got a great touch screen display here. This is where your backup camera shows. Taking a look here at the home screen, you have buttons for heated steering wheel as well as your heated front row seating. You have your climate controls right here. From here you can see you have capabilities for Sirius satellite radio along with your AM and FM radio. Take a look at those additional climate controls, and then going over to the app center, you can see you have a plethora of apps here. Coming down underneath of that, you have your climate controls. There is a 4x4 turn dial control here, and then you have your USB port, auxiliary port, and SD card input. This is a 9-speed automatic transmission with a 3.2-liter V6 engine, and highway mileage that's going to get you around 28 miles per gallon. If you'd like to get more information on this Cherokee or to schedule your test drive, visit us at holidayautomotive.com. We will also receive a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. Again, that's holidayautomotive.com. My name is Casey, and thanks for watching.